place in the east. We welcome you to a different beat. Indulge in elegance and power in the city, or retreat to a hideaway with the ocean breeze. At Crown Regency, we'll take you higher. Our hotels and resorts are like no other. An experience you'll certainly treasure as you discover the best of life and pleasure.